We hope that when the customer comes in the door and they're offered a chocolate chip cookie, which actually is a recipe that I used to make for the children when they were growing up, and there's free homemade frozen custard, there's coffee or tea, there's a greeter to greet them. We hope that they will feel at home. We hope that they will feel like this might be an extension of their home because they might find exactly what they're looking for. That's what we focus on. There's more to it than just furniture. Furniture is just furniture, but it's what you do with it, you know? It's really about others and about those who are coming into our store to feel, we want them to feel welcome and at home, and that this is a place where they like to come. That's why we have bikes for the kids and this kind of family atmosphere that we always want to promote.